What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I just want to talk about something that is going to be hitting all of us in our wallets, and that is auto insurance. Now, my brother had sent me an article from the Wall Street Journal a couple weeks ago, and it was talking about how auto insurance companies are starting to flock to raising rates. And on average, it seems to be about 6 to 8%, which is what they say the CPI is at. But if you pay attention, inflation is really 10 to 15%. Probably closer to 15%, but they are based around the CPI. They're raising interest rates they're raising your insurance right in that range there, between that 6 to 8%. Shouldn't be any surprise. Vehicle prices, the cost to buy an equivalent of what you have is so much higher than it should be. It is just what they're going for now. And so as a result, insurance companies have to start covering these vehicles for more, and then factor in the supply chain side. If something happens to your vehicle, how are you going to get parts? There's a lot of shortages right now. Stuff can be sitting on container ships. Notice how that narrative's died down with the cargo ships. You don't hear as much. That problem's as strong as ever. And so you're starting to see these issues in the supply chain start to work their way into a lot of our costs. Because if you have a fender bender, you may not be able to get parts for months. I see in some of the Facebook groups, people who have issues, whether it's warranty work or not, their truck or whatever it is, Mustang, is sitting unable to be fixed. Sometimes for months at times, they just don't have the parts. Then factor in labor. You know, everyone talks about how strong this economy is. Well, people aren't working to the degree that they should be. And so now you have a labor issue and you have rising costs. And so you have all of these factors putting pressure on all aspects and businesses within these supply chains related to the automotive, insurance. And as a result, prices have to go up. Think about getting a rental car. Where are you going to get it from? There's a shortage of those. You may get it, but obviously if demand's high and supply is low, prices are going to have to go up. And so you're going to have all of these things coming into play. As a result, it pushes up your insurance. And so they're saying between 6 to 8%, but there are reports of people, expecting double digit or receiving double digit numbers, which is just like, holy cow, what else is going to go up next? I have a friend, and her rent here went up 22%, $300 per month. And so then you start factoring in groceries going up, gas going up, rent going up, insurance going up. All of these costs going up is putting a pinch on all of us. It's not one or two people, it's literally all of us collectively. Unless you're independently wealthy, you feel that. And these costs just start compiling. And it's just like, how do you not have a recession, which I think we're heading into? So my thought on this is a couple things. Look and see if you get a discount by paying on your policy for the year. It's something to check. I understand not everyone can, whether you're younger, maybe you don't make as much money. I get it. Years ago, I couldn't. I'm in a different situation now, and I'm going to be looking to do that, because if you can save 5-6%, you may almost negate that increase, or at least take it down. It's something. The other thing is, don't be afraid to shop for insurance. I had to do that a couple years ago. I had AAA for insurance. They kept jacking the rate on it. I went somewhere else. I found a insurance broker. Lady's awesome, and she lowered my policy and put way more coverage. I mean, it's unbelievable. And I pay hundreds of dollars less per year. So those are the sorts of things that you're gonna really need to try to do. Because at some point, guys, we can't keep absorbing all these costs and expect to be able to, spend money in the economy. So try to protect yourself. That's what I would do. See if you can pay it off, for the year up front and get a discount. And if not, or you want to see what else is out there, check and see what you can get for other providers, because this is the sort of stuff that is going to start hurting all of us, all these costs rising, and you just want to try to protect yourself. So good luck out there, guys. I hope you guys are doing well, and we'll talk to you in the next one. Take care.